The Asus Zenfone 6 is launching on May 16th and we already know some major specifications of the phone as the company itself revealed them. One thing that we don't know is the design. The teaser did hint at a bezel-less and notchless design, but what about the rest of the design? Is there a pop-up mechanism for selfie camera or some other implementation for the same? Well, the official press renders of the phone are now here and they revealed that the Asus Zenfone 6 would launch with a flip camera. As you can see, the Asus Zenfone 6 has a flip-out camera mechanism similar to the Samsung Galaxy A80, and due to this, the dual camera setup on the rear can be used to take selfies as well. This flip camera is powered by a stepper motor, so you don't have to manually flip the camera. Talking about the camera setup, we already know that there is a primary 48 megapixel camera on the rear with Sony IMX586 sensor and a secondary 13 megapixel camera which is an ultra wide angle camera. Since there is no dedicated camera on the front, the Asus Zenfone 6 has a bezel-less and notchless display with a tiny bottom chin. Now it cannot be said if this is an AMOLED screen or an LCD because the fingerprint scanner is on the rear and not under the display. Even the mid-rangers are now launching with in-display fingerprint scanners, but for some reasons Asus decided not to add one on the Zenfone 6. Leaks reveal that it is a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 6. The back panel is made out of glass and there is a metal frame. The Asus Zenfone 6 has a massive 5000 mAh battery underneath with Quick Charge 4.0 support and has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with up to 12GB RAM and half a terabyte of internal storage. So what are your opinions on the design of Asus Zenfone 6? Do let me know by the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.